when poor bitter si obuna nwo. My body nwunye mpakwa na ala maka okunie, that is me. Because na love you, obuna ma love you, o mankuni. And okuni o na nozu 1 hour before obende ya. Oh, they are wrong way. Onye obuna nwere odi aru onwe. Ojibi ụwa. So go and face your own family.
Chai, my people. Hey, hey, hey. No be small something, no, my people. It don't happen again, no, my people. Hey, hey. Now, Onyeze again, no, my people. No be small thing. He say he love your wife, oh. Say anytime when your wife they touch her, when his wife they met to a cow, now understand when they touch him. Say the gbola go up, boo, boo, boo. Say the gbola no they come down. Say he no they take alemo bitter. My people, no be small something. As I cross this one, I was choctolize. He say people they talk. Say even JPA compost and say now the thing I they take. Say he no they take anything. Say in body they walk well. My people, no be small something. No, he come blow hot at people when they call his wife different name. He say he love pinopino. Say na the reason when he give him pinopino. My people, no be small something. He say may everybody may they face their problem. May not come be say I too talk, my people. I go live on a mona for watch this video. Je.
People will die for your matter. People will die for another person matter. Why are some people killing themselves? Anyway, I come here to clarify something because of who I am and because of who I'm representing, whether you like it or not. To whom it may concern, because many people that matters in the country called me. Some said they know is not my fault. Some said they did not see anything wrong with that. Some said, oh, Papa, this thing, this, that. But I'm here to clarify something. My wife has no apology to anyone for what she did. She has no apology. Go and marry your own husband. It determines how you and your husband is living. Leave me and my wife alone. Whatever we do is not your business. Go and face your own family. The reason why I just come to say something is because of people that called me. Leave my wife alone. I love her anyway, anyhow, anytime. Anything she did to me, I love her. She still remains my world number one. She still remains number one. She still remains the best woman on earth. After my mother, she still remains the best thing that have ever happened to me. Do you hear that? So if you like, Eziokwu is in a war. Otu aunu si ase na onya obro chupu bolioku si ntu a na George no gwa bo onya boloku ma obu na onya no court ma na onya na eme nke. Keep on. I hold no one any explanation. My wife Pinopino is not an illiterate. For those people talking nonsense, my wife Pinopino is a learned woman. And I love her the way she is. That's why I name him Pinopino. Pinopino. She understands me, I understand her. So whatever you see is not your business. Many people that are talking this thing, any problem in their home, see kettle calling pot black. See pot calling kettle black. Slim girls. Did I do it with your boyfriend? Did I do it with your girlfriend? Is he not my wife? She's trying to play with me, but Obona Moma na live video the on. I wouldn't have getting up and getting down. I can made in no. Mana in any way, I love her. She still remember my best thing that have ever happened to me. Face your own wife, face your own family, train your children, leave mine. Because when I was not paracetamol, nisi na one yozo. Kana ndebe anye say na akede amoka na ono ba akede amoka na. Man their own family. Man their own family. Go and enjoy with your wife too. If you at all you are a type na mehene. Dala. Obu no onye ike na adoro kita o na asi na onye abulo man enough. Onye bukwa man enough ana akoeli. Doesn't matter. If you want to try question a war, just question a war. Happen to my wife, please. Leave my wife alone. Stop talking about her. No, mama Ejimaka, go and burn your own. Give one day matured, go and marry your own husband. Leave my own wife alone. She's not matured up here. Go and marry your own. You are a mature girl now. Go and marry your own mature man now. Since she's not matured. Or they're matured, we're more ejimanu. We're bring a bedi. Na handle nukwu nwoke dịka gị nwa dị matured obere nwoke kwere ya handle ka ọ bụrụ na obere nwoke kwere handle na ka anugodi you claim na ego la akwụkwọ niile afọ ego kere ebe ijizi eje gị nwa bụ nwa anyị si na nwunye m agụla gị nwa agụla akwụkwọ nke ike ebe iji ya nọdụ kịta unu megatara na paracetamol n'isi na-awa onye ọzọ go have seat. My wife is my best and my choice. And my choice is my choice. Whether you like it or not. All can now look at that. I carry all the new poku self. No, now follow disturb bam. Saying that they talk to these people. JPAC be an interview yesterday and I granted him the interview. Manabiko Kwana, Makomifan about Joe Gaddafi. Our brother Joe Gaddafi Kamolo. Nagamaka JPAC post to Joe Gaddafi. Yeah, I know they drink bitters. I know they drink that Joe Gaddafi. Kia Luigi Makiaji and Obamani na Marisi. It's no one call Onyeze and one of Manyamu. Makan White Kata for the Gideon women about advertise. I know they drink it that bitters you. Man, I saw one get Janagolia. Okay, Kafaya Rigi were deceive Uno. And one poor bitters your my body. Unyam Bakanalamaka or Punia, that is me. Because non lovely, open a man lovely, or Mankuni. And Okuniona knows 1 hour before or Bendia. Oh, they are wrong way. On your open or they are wrong way. Ojibua. So, go and face your own family. I happen Maga can Luolo Chineke Kenyam Bikono.